Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen in Cookingdom. Start with the initial steps for crafting delicious ramen. First, you'll need to find a special jar. Use your shovel to uncover it, then clean it with a cloth and water before opening. Next, get ready to chop. Finely dice your garlic, ginger, onion, and green onions. Don't forget to prepare both types of meat by chopping them as well. These foundational steps are crucial for building flavor. Now let's get those noodles ready. Pour water into a pot, place a strainer, and cook your noodles until they're perfect, then set them aside. Next, quickly cook the sprouts in the same pot before turning off the stove. For the broth base, add some brown sauce from the purple bowl to a heated pot, then introduce your chopped onion, garlic, and meat. This creates a rich foundation for your ramen. It's time to infuse your broth with incredible flavor. Carefully add a spoonful of sugar and a scoop of miso to the simmering mixture. Then, pour in some liquid from a bottle to further enhance the taste. Finally, introduce the chicken broth, your previously cooked sprouts, and a touch of salt. Stir everything together gently, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully until the broth is perfectly done. The exciting moment has arrived, assembling your ramen bowl. Begin by placing the perfectly cooked noodles into a deep serving bowl. Next, generously ladle your delicious, flavorful soup over the noodles. To complete your masterpiece, artfully arrange the toppings: fresh leeks, vibrant green onion, sliced eggs, crisp nori squares, and your tender cooked meat. Enjoy your homemade Cookingdom ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.